हाँ, तो प्रिंसिपल का देख
this event partner, Yakult India. Uh, my dear faculty friends and my dear students, this complete show is for students only. So we are organizing the industrial visit with the aim to provide you an insight in internal working strategy of the company and to gain practical exposure as well. And I would like to thank Yakult for developing such technology and providing opportunity to gain practical exposure in such a pandemic when we all are stuck at our native places. So this is really a very wonderful opportunity wherein you all are going to have exposure of such big facility or plant from your own place. Uh, to drive this complete show, we have Tushar Kumar, Executive PR, Yakult with us. If I tell Mr. Tushar, so Tushar is moreover engaged in formulating effective marketing strategies and direct relation strategies. He used to conduct a visitor session and interact with the guest at a manufacturing unit at a high quality of hospitality. Although we are not going to have hospitality from his end, but yes, we are fortunate enough to have Mr. Tushar with us. He also engaged in promoting Yakult with different profiles of delegates. He used to prepare the artwork and design for industrial promotional activities, and he is engaged in execution of suitable event for customer delightness. Why I talked about Mr. Tushar because you can see the kind of portfolio which he carry as an PR manager of any organization or executive of any organization. So being budding manager, you all student, look at the profile or nature of job which one can perform for the, development of any organization. So with this note, I would like to welcome Mr. Tushar on board. And now I'm going to hand over this complete show to Mr. Tushar. Mr. Tushar, over to you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your kind words.
Thank you.
So, can we start this session?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll share my screen. So please acknowledge, is my screen is visible?
Yes, it is very much visible.
Okay. So good afternoon, everyone. Tushar this side from Yakult Danone India Private Limited, and here I am in Public Relation Department. So first of all, welcome you all to the virtual visit of Yakult Danone India Private Limited. Now I'll just brief about Yakult. Yakult is a 50-50 joint venture between Yakult Honsha from Japan and Groupe Danone from France. And this is the only factory in India where Yakult is manufactured, and from this factory, Yakult is supplied to all the cities where Yakult is present. And Yakult is HACCP, OSAS, and FSSAI certified company. Now let's start with the overview. So in this, we'll cover history of probiotics, about Yakult, science behind Yakult, and its distribution channel. And after that, if you guys have any queries, have any questions, then you can ask from me. So let's start with the evolution. So in 1908, Dr. Alen Meshnikov, he observed that the Bulgarian farmers had a very healthy lifestyle. Healthy lifestyle because of their diet plan, because they are doing exercise daily, they eat a lot of fermented things, they eating because they had a healthy eating habits. And they eat a lot of fermented things in their diet. Fermented things like butter, cheese, curd, milk, etc. They are taking a lot of amount. And Ali Meshnikov put all his observation in a book called The Prolongation of Life. And the book got the Nobel Prize on the same year. Guys, the Nobel Prize, that was the main evolution because many other scientists started their own observation about this book and about lactic acid bacteria. And in 1930, our founder, Dr. Minoru Shirota, a scientist in Japan, became the first in the world to succeed in culturing a strain of lactic acid bacteria, which is totally beneficial for human health. And in 1935, this glass bottle first time launched in the market of Japan. And this is the world's #1 probiotic drink. So as I said, probiotics. So FAO and WHO in 2001 given a standard definition of probiotics, means it has 3 conditions: live microorganism which when administered in adequate amount confer a health benefit on the host, means the microorganism which is reaches in our intestine should be in the live form. This is the first condition. And in adequate amount, our body our intestine want at least 1 billion bacteria, good bacteria, but in Yakult we have 6.5 billion good bacteria. So in adequate amount, and after that the confer a health benefit on the host if they are taking a lot of good bacteria in their diet. So obviously it helps in benefit of health of the host. So here is a small video clip of our question: what is the best time to drink Yakult? So guys, have a look here.
Tell us, Yakult man. What time of day should I drink Yakult?
Because Yakult is just like other food, you can have it at any time of the day. But drinking it every day is what's important, so make sure it's at a good time for you. Drink Yakult at a time of day that's best for you.
Yakult.
So guys, this video shows that you can drink Yakult at the morning, at the evening, after meal, before meal, at night, anytime which is suitable for you, you can have it. So now coming to the Shirotaism. This is our Dr. Minoru Shirota's philosophy called Shirotaism. It has 3 parameters. First one is prevention is better than cure. Means if we prevent ourselves, then why should we need to treat us? And second one is a healthy intestine leads to a long life. Means if our intestine is healthy, if our body parts, body organs are strong, then it leads to a long life. And third one is affordable price. Means everyone can easily afford at a minimum price. This is our Dr. Minoru Shirota's philosophy. Now coming to our probiotic drinks, we have 3 variants. We have 2 variants in India. Yakult with a red cap and Yakult Light with a blue cap. And in both these variants, we have 6.5 beneficial bacteria named Lactobacillus casei strain Shirota. And it is totally natural product without any preservative, without any stabilizer, without any colorings. And its ingredients are water, sugar, skim milk powder, glucose, probiotic Lactobacillus casei strain Shirota, and natural identical flavors. And in Yakult Light, we have additional variants like pectin, 160 mg, steviol glycoside, 16 mg, vitamin E and vitamin D. And the price of this red cap variant is 70 rupees for 5 bottle bag, and the blue cap variant is 85 rupees for 5 bottle bag. And guys, there is a storage condition. You have to keep it refrigerated below 10 degrees Celsius. And the shelf life of our product is 40 days from date of manufacturing. And guys, this is its natural shelf life. Now coming to the benefits of Yakult. Yakult improve our digestion power and also builds immunity. And it is clinically proven, more than 80 years of scientific research. Now another one question, can we heat up Yakult? So guys, have a look in this video.
Tell us, Yakult man. Can we heat up Yakult?
Yakult should always be stored below 10 degrees Celsius. High temperatures can cause the lactic acid bacteria in Yakult to weaken and even die. And although short periods are okay, if Yakult is left out too long, the quality can suffer, so do be careful. Also, using a microwave or direct heat can damage the container, so please don't do it. Please don't heat your Yakult. Yakult.
So guys, this video shows that don't heat your Yakult and don't heat your Yakult bottle because it damages the bottle and also its bacteria can suffer if you heat it. So as I said, we are dealing with probiotic bacteria. So we have LCS safety certificates regarding that. We have GRAS certificates from US Food and Drug Administration. And the second certificate is FSSAI certificates from India. And the third one is FOSHU certificates from Japan. And we have many more other certificates regarding that. Now coming to the science behind Yakult. We have 2 state-of-the-art Yakult Research Institute. First one is Tokyo in Japan and the second one is Belgium in Europe. And we have more than 200 scientists are researching on LCS and their probiotic. And we have more than 100 human studies done on Yakult probiotic drink. Now coming to the Indian part. Yakult is a 50-50 joint venture between Yakult Honsha of Japan and Groupe Danone of France. And the Yakult was first time launched in Delhi NCR in 2008. And after that in Jaipur, Chandigarh, Mumbai, Pune, Nasik, Punjab, Bangalore, Mysore, Hyderabad, and the many other cities. And the total investment of Yakult is more than 360 crores. And this is the state-of-the-art production facility at Rai Food Park, Haryana, with a production capacity of 1 million bottles per day. Now guys, this is the front view of our factory. So our factory is designed as per the international standard, and the special care is taken while designing so that we can maintain a highest level of hygiene standard in our factory. Now coming to the process of Yakult, how we make our Yakult. Firstly, we make a seed starter in 100 liter of tank, means in 160 liter in 400 liter of tank. After that, we pass the starter into the culture tank with a capacity of 1000 of liter, means 14,000 liter, 7,000 liters. After that, we pass this culture into the homogenizer. And now this is our bottle manufacturing room. We have two machines here with the name of Sumitomo, and the production capacity of this machine is 11,000 bottles per hour. And this is the world's #1 bottle manufacturing machine. That is also come from Japan. Now we have our filling and packaging area. Now bottle coming in, unscrambler. The main work of unscrambler is put the bottle into the upright position. After that, its printing activity is done. Then its filling activity. After that, its capping activity. Then the bottle goes in our reshrink and multi-shrink area. And the production capacity and the filling capacity of this machine is 45,000 bottles per hour. And this is our quality control room. In this we have done daily basis 120 quality checks from its raw material to its final goods. And we have also done our shelf life activity in our quality control room. Now coming to the factory operation video. This is the video in which you can see all the production unit, all the operation work from its manufacturing, from its seed starter, its production, its filling, its packaging, and its delivery system. So guys, have a look in this video.
皆様、ようこそインドヤクルト工場へ。この工場はデリー近郊ハリハナ州ソニパットに位置し、インドの皆様の健康に寄与するプロバイオティクスドリンクを作っています。我々の安全で高品質な商品を楽しんでください。この工場は広く開放され、皆様のお越しをお待ちしています。どうぞ我々の生産風景をご覧になってください。その時にはこの素晴らしいプロバイオティクスの効果についてもお話ししましょう。
Our factory is spread across 8 acres, out of which 30% is green area. The factory is designed to international standards, and special care is taken to maintain hygiene while making Yakult. Yakult is a probiotic drink, and each bottle contains more than 6.5 billion Lactobacillus casei strain Shirota. Way back in 1930, this strain was discovered by Dr. Minoru Shirota, a Japanese scientist who isolated and cultured it. Later, he used the strain to make Yakult. Let's see how Yakult is made. The process of manufacturing Yakult has various stages of operation. Remember, all equipment and the area around them are carefully sterilized and sanitized before use. The first stage is making the seed starter in the seed room. We have 2 seed tanks with a capacity of 160 liters each. Here we add our Lactobacillus casei strain Shirota to the sterilized milk solution in the seed tank. The culture then starts to ferment. The milk solution and sugar syrup are separately made in the dissolving tank room. The ingredients for making the milk solution and sugar syrup are put into this hopper from where they go through the powder blender and enter the dissolving tank. The dissolving tank has a capacity of 15,000 liters. Later, The milk solution and sugar syrup are sterilized using the ultra-high temperature process. Then we move to the culture mixing area. There are 4 tanks here of 7,000 liters each. The syrup solution, passed through the ultra-high temperature process, is transferred into storage tanks. The milk solution, passed through the ultra-high temperature process, is taken into culture tanks. The fermented seed starter that we saw in the first stage also goes into culture tanks. When the seed starter gets added to the milk solution, fermentation process starts. We can look through this glass to see how it looks. This solution is a thick yogurt-like fermented milk solution. The fermented milk solution goes into the homogenizer. The homogenizer turns the thick yogurt-like solution into a smooth liquid solution. Then this solution is chilled and sent to the storage tank, where it gets mixed with the sugar syrup. This solution is a concentrated Yakult solution called Yakun. Now we head for blending. In the blending area, UV sterilized water is used for blending with Yakun to produce our probiotic drink, Yakult. Now we go to our quality control room. Here all the quality parameters, right from the raw material to the finished product, are checked physiochemically and microbiologically. Now that our Yakult sample is quality checked, it's time for filling and packaging. The injection blow molding machine makes the bottles. The raw material, polystyrene resin, comes from the resin room through a pneumatic pipe and enters the machine through the hopper. The machine has a capacity to manufacture 11,000 bottles per hour. The bottles that come out of the injection blow molding machine are transferred through this pneumatic pipe to the bottle storage tank. Now we are in the filling machine area. The bottles come out of the bottle storage tank into the unscrambler. They fall in random fashion. Now, because we need the bottles in upright position for filling Yakult, the unscrambler machine helps in doing that. Soon the bottles come out upright. Then the bottles pass through the printing machine where our logo and important information are printed. Then the bottles enter the filling section. Then it quickly passes the capping section. Let's watch the 3 stages again in slow motion to see what exactly happens. At this speed, this machine fills as many as 45,000 bottles per hour. Finally, random physical checks are done to ensure that the bottles are ready to go for packaging. It's a lot of fun to watch this toy train of bottles enter the packaging area. In the packing machine section, we first have the multi-pack machine. It packs 5 bottles at a time. Then it moves to another machine called the reshrink machine. Here packs of 50 bottles are made. These packs are then stacked on pallets. The pallets then move on the conveyor and exit the packaging area, ready to be taken to the cold room. We use forklifts to transfer the pallets to the cold room. The temperature maintained in the cold room is controlled between 4 and 8 degrees Celsius. Then these pallets are forklifted to put them into refrigerated and insulated trucks that maintain the temperature required for keeping Yakult in optimum condition. The trucks leave the factory to dispatch your favorite probiotic drink to various markets in India and ultimately to the comforts of your home to give you a good gut feeling. Every day, visitors come to see our state-of-the-art factory. They can see the unique production process through the visitors' corridor where our experts explain in detail how this wonder drink is made.
It's a state-of-art kind of facility where they have laid up the factory very nicely. Facilities are good, people are very friendly, it's nice environment around here, and they are making a wonderful product.
Yakult is very tasty.
I'm amazed by the speed at which Yakult is prepared.
I can see many machines here. I got this drink.
So guys, this is all about our production process video in which you can see our product, how we make, how the seed starter is made, how we fill our liquid, our culture. So this is all about this video. Now coming to the Yakult store. Yakult is available in several retail stores like in Easy Day, Metro, Spencer, D-Mart, Food Bazaar, and many other malls, and also more than 250 hotels across India. Now coming to the home delivery system. This is our traditional and most familiar system in which Yakult lady comes at your home's doorstep and provide Yakult to you with a daily basis, monthly basis, and weekly basis. And we call them ambassadors of good health. And we have more than 250 Yakult ladies in India deliver Yakult at the customer doorstep. Now this is the Indian website www.yakult.co.in, in which you will give your feedback about Yakult. And here is one more column where to buy. So you can check this and purchase Yakult. And this is our latest advertisement snapshot. And Shilpa Shetty, she's our brand icon. And our tagline is love your intestine. So thank you guys. Now, if you have any queries, have any question, then you can ask.
So, dear students, probably you all have, seen this wonderful facility. Now it's your turn. Whatsoever, question comes into your mind related to this product first, then the process, the operations, the strategy which they adopted, to penetrate this product into the market. Now it's your turn to ask the question. You have two options to ask a query. You can use chat box as usual. And if you wish to speak to Mr. Tushar, so you can raise hand, will allow you to speak, and you can ask your query directly. Mr. Tushar, you can look at chat box.
Yeah, sir. Every product comes with two possible aspects, plus and minus. What can be the benefits and side effect of Yakult? See, there is no side effect of Yakult because it's totally natural product and we are using all the natural ingredients without any preservative, without any artificial. So side effect is, कोई भी side effect देखो नहीं है इसका, but benefit मैंने आपको बताए थे presentation में भी, ये हमें डायरिया कॉन्स्टिपेशन को कम करता है और इम्यूनिटी को बूस्ट अप करता है, तो ये इसके बेनिफिट्स हैं, बट इसका साइड इफेक्ट कोई भी नहीं है. इवन दैट इसकी शेल्फ लाइफ के बाद भी अगर आप प्रोडक्ट को कंज्यूम करना चाहें तो आप कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज ये हमारा नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट है. एंड द सेकंड वन इज फ्रॉम सचिन शर्मा. Could you please tell us about your distribution channel, like how this company manages distribution? We have different distribution channel in different cities. Like in Delhi में अभी दिल्ली में, एनसीआर में, चंडीगढ़ में तो हमारे याकूल एडी सिस्टम है, तो वहाँ पे डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हम करते हैं याकूल एडी के थ्रू। और अगर आप शॉप से, रिटेल शॉप से या मॉल से कहीं से भी परचेज करना चाहें, यू कैन इजिली परचेज फ्रॉम दैट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आदित्य शर्मा, व्हाट इज द मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी ऑफ योर कंपनी? कंपनी की मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी है अपना ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म यूज करके, एक तो हम अपना मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी फॉलो करते हैं और अपना एडवर्टीजमेंट के थ्रू करते हैं। अभी तो मीन्स डिजिटल हो गया सब कुछ, तो हम डिजिटली भी अपना ब्लॉगर्स के थ्रू ये सब करके हम अपनी मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी को फॉलो करते हैं। एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज फ्रॉम रजनीश कुमार झा, इज इट गुड फॉर डायबिटिक पेशेंट्स? या वी हैव टू वेरिएंट्स, Yakult and Yakult Light. For diabetic patient, you can use your Yakult Light because it has 70% less sugar. In this Yakult Light, we have only 3 gram of sugar, and in Yakult Light, we have 10 gram of sugar. So you can follow with Yakult Light. And the next question is, Yakult sold worldwide? Yeah, Yakult is available in more than 40 countries. So you can see, is it available at worldwide? So how you are dealing with COVID circumstances? See, we are follow so much prevention in our factory, like temperature check करना, अपना मास्क, ग्लव्स। हमारी फैक्ट्री में अभी आपने विजिट किया हो तो आपने देखा होगा यहाँ पे अंदर जो मोस्टली ऑपरेशनल एरिया में है, वो अपना कैप, मास्क, ग्लव्स हमेशा उनके साथ रहता है। बिना उसके अंदर जाने की परमिशन है ही नहीं। और कोविड से क्या हुआ है, यहाँ पे हमने अपना अल्कोहल यूज किए हैं। मीन्स कुछ भी मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि लापरवाही से काम हो रहा, पूरा हाइजीन तरीके से यहाँ पे मेंटेन करके रखा हुआ है। तो ये हम अपना कोविड से रिलेटेड यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं। एंड ये क्वेश्चन, कोविड टाइम पर सेल्स स्ट्रेटेजी क्या थी? सी, कोविड टाइम पर मैंने बताया ना अभी, हम ब्लॉगर्स के थ्रू या अपना ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू हम अपना प्रोडक्ट की स्ट्रेटेजी को फॉलो कर रहे थे। During lockdown, what impact happened in Yakult? See, our company become boost up because कोविड से अपना उसमें बताया गया कि अपना इंटेस्टाइन हमारी स्ट्रांग होनी चाहिए, बूस्ट अप होनी चाहिए। और याकुल्ट के अंदर हम बेनिफिट यही बताते हैं कि हमारी इम्यूनिटी को बूस्ट अप करता है। तो इससे हमारी सेल्स तो ज़्यादा हुई और हमारे कस्टमर भी इंक्रीज हुए, तो ये हमें कोविड से बेनिफिट मिला। And this question, can we mix Yakult with anything? Yeah, you can mix Yakult with your shake, banana shake, mango shake, whatever you want, you can mix it with and drink it. What marketing strategy was followed by the Yakult to get boom in sales? See, we are using advertisements, online sales हम use करते हैं, अपना इंडस्ट्रियल विजिट के थ्रू हम अपने प्रोडक्ट को प्रमोट करते हैं। और डिफरेंट अब तो डिजिटल हो गया सारा जमाना, तो अब हम डिजिटल के थ्रू भी अपना याकुल्ट को प्रमोट कर रहे हैं। हाउ कंपनी अवेयर पीपल टू टेक याकुल्ट? सी, वी हैव आवर याकुल्ट लेडी सिस्टम। द याकुल्ट लेडी अवेयर द पीपल अबाउट याकुल्ट एंड अबाउट इट्स बेनिफिट। वो वीकली बेसिस पे, डेली बेसिस पे अपना सोसाइटी में जाती हैं, अब अपना कैंप लगाती हैं। और अभी हम अपना स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं कैंपिंग की, मतलब स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं प्रोसीजर। उसमें क्या है कि हम एडवर्टीजमेंट करेंगे अपना प्रोडक्ट, सैम्पलिंग एक्टिविटी हम कर रहे हैं, जिससे याकुल्ट को प्रमोट कर रहे हैं और उसके अवेयरनेस को बताएं। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट आवर अवेयरनेस।
Mr. Tushar, there is one question from Sumedha Srivastava.
Yeah.
She wants to know what are the measures Yakult takes for sustainable growth?
सस्टेनेबल ग्रोथ के लिए सर, इसका आंसर मैं आपको अपने सीनियर से कंफर्म करके बता दूंगा।
Okay.
या याकुल्ट के एडवांटेज और डिसएडवांटेज क्या है? सी, याकुल्ट की कोई भी डिसएडवांटेज नहीं है, बिकॉज मैंने अभी पहले भी बताया हम इसमें टोटली नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट को यूज़ कर रहे हैं, नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं। तो कोई भी इसमें आर्टिफिशियल फ्लेवर्स नहीं है जो इसकी शेल्फ लाइफ को बढ़ाए, इसकी लाइफ को बढ़ाए। हम इसमें इसकी जो शेल्फ लाइफ है वो इसकी नेचुरल शेल्फ लाइफ है जो 40 डेज। अगर हम इसमें आर्टिफिशियल फ्लेवर यूज़ करें तो इसकी शेल्फ लाइफ ज़्यादा भी हो सकती है, 1 महीने 2 महीने। सो इस नेचुरल शेल्फ लाइफ है, ये इसके फायदे, और कोई भी इसका डिसएडवांटेजेस नहीं है। How different are Yakult from other milk product company like Mother Dairy, Amul? See, we have a unique probiotic in our Yakult like Lactobacillus casei strain Shirota, जिसपे हमारा पेटेंट राइट है। और इसका फायदा क्या है, ये हमारी इम्यूनिटी को बूस्ट अप करता है और हमारी इंटेस्टाइन में लाइव जाता है। सी, अमूल में या मदर डेयरी में जो भी बैक्टीरिया होगा वो हमारी इंटेस्टाइन में लाइव नहीं जाएगा, बिकॉज वो स्टमक में इतने गैस्ट्रिक जूसेस होते हैं जो उसको किल कर देते हैं। बट याकुल्ट का बैक्टीरिया हमारे इंटेस्टाइन में लाइव जाता है, स्टमक से होते हुए गैस्ट्रिक जूस को पास करते हुए। सो दिस इज द यूनिक थिंग इन याकुल्ट। What can be the difference in our body after the uses of Yakult on daily basis? आप याकुल्ट को ट्राई करके देखिए, आपको बेनिफिट इसका खुद ही पता चलेगा। वैसे मैं आपको बेनिफिट बता देता हूँ। ये हमारी इम्यूनिटी को बूस्ट अप करते हैं, हमें डायरिया, कॉन्स्टिपेशन, इन सब की उसको कम करते हैं चीज़ों को, और ये हमारे कैंसर सेल्स को भी किल करते हैं, बिकॉज याकुल्ट के अंदर इम्यून सेल्स होते हैं। हमारी बॉडी में जो इम्यून सेल्स होते हैं वो हमारे मीन्स गुड बैक्टीरिया को इम्प्रूव करते हैं। तो याकुल्ट यही फायदा करता है कि हमारे गुड बैक्टीरिया को इम्प्रूव करता है और बैड बैक्टीरिया को किल करता है। अगर आपने इसमें डिफरेंस देखना है तो आप याकुल्ट को ट्राई करें, फिर आपको खुद ही पता चलेगा। So as Yakult need to keep under 10 degrees Celsius, generally village people don't have freeze. So how can we tackle this problem? See, वो डायरेक्ट अपना रिटेल शॉप से लेके साथ साथ उसको कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं। ये नहीं है कि याकुल्ट बिल्कुल बाहर रख ही नहीं सकते, 5 मिनट 10 मिनट आप उसको बाहर रख सकते हैं, उसके बाद आप इसको ले सकते हैं। तो अपना शॉप से लेके अगर आप उसको डायरेक्ट कंज्यूम कर लें तो ये भी बेनिफिट रहेगा विलेज पीपल के लिए। So, question from Kumari Ekta. You have used only 2 color, red and blue there. Why did you not use the other colors? Because this is the standard color, which is जो हमारी याकुल्ट होंशा जो जापान की कंपनी है उन्होंने स्टैंडर्ड सेट करके दिया है, और स्टार्टिंग से यही चलता आ रहा है, याकुल्ट with a red cap and Yakult Light with a blue cap. And we have 2 variants in India, Yakult and Yakult Light. Is there any impact of pandemic in your product and did you need to change your strategy? No. देखो, इसका पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट तो पड़ा है बट कोई नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट नहीं पड़ा हमारे पैंडेमिक में। बिकॉज पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट क्या है, इससे हमारी सेल्स बूस्टअप हुई है, इससे हमारे कस्टमर्स इंक्रीज हुए हैं, बिकॉज और हम प्रोडक्ट के बारे में उनको अवेयरनेस पता चली है कि याकुल्ट के बेनिफिट क्या है और याकुल्ट हमें क्यों पीनी चाहिए। बिकॉज कोविड में क्या है, अपना मैंने पहले भी बताया, हमें इम्यूनिटी को अपनी स्ट्रॉन्ग रखना है, तो याकुल्ट यही करता है कि इम्यूनिटी को स्ट्रॉन्ग करता है। तो इससे हमारी सेल इंक्रीज हुई है, पैंडेमिक से ये चेंज आया है। और स्ट्रेटजी को चेंज करने की नीड तो है ही नहीं, बिकॉज सारा अब डिजिटल होता जा रहा है, तो डिजिटली लोग अपना इजीली अट्रैक्ट भी होते हैं। क्योंकि अलग से देखो, हम जाके किसी के घर में जाएंगे तो उनको किसी के पास इतना टाइम नहीं है, तो अगर हम डिजिटली करेंगे तो वो अपना फोन पे देखते देखते ही अपना उनको पता चल जाएगा, अवेयरनेस हो जाएगी कि भाई याकुल्ट बेनिफिट क्या देता है। तो पैंडेमिक में हमारा ये चेंज आया। How do you deal with other energy drink competitors in the market? See, as I said, याकुल्ट में यूनिक प्रोबायोटिक बैक्टीरिया है LCS, जो किसी भी ड्रिंक में नहीं है, किसी भी एनर्जी ड्रिंक में नहीं है। और याकुल्ट कोई एनर्जी ड्रिंक नहीं है, ये हमारा एक फर्मेंटेड फूड है। लाइक आप अपना
I suppose there is, some technical glitch. So, Mr. Tushar, whether I'm audible to you? Okay, let me go on. Dear students, just because of some technical issue, Tushar is disconnected with us. He's joining very soon. He'll be joining. Keep your questions up, and he'll be there and he'll reply. So because of some network issue, he is not able to join. He has requested to wait for 1-2 minutes. So he'll be joining. Mr. Adis, if you wish, you can continue.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon.
Yes, sir.
Because of some technical issue, Mr. Tushar is disconnected, and he is
Yes,
joining.
correct. So if you can speak to the questions, so I'll try to answer to the students, sir.
Okay, sure.
Sir.
So I'm going to pick from the question. Okay, there is repetition of question. There is question, sir. What is the difference between Yakult and Yakult Light?
Okay, so the core difference is related to the sugar because the Yakult, that's the basic product, and Yakult Light, that's the low sugar variant. Because now we can say currently some of our family members, they are also very much conscious towards the health or specifically for the sugar. So we introduce Yakult Light with 70% less sugar. And secondly, we are using natural sweetener for Yakult Light, that's the stevia. So the core difference is related to the sweetener, and as on the basis of FSSAI and on the basis of the guideline, we are also using vitamins. We are using vitamin D and vitamin E. So that's the main difference.
Okay, so Aditya, I suppose you got your answer. Next question is from Rohit Kumar. Rohit wants to know, Yakult has a fixed time to drink or drink anytime?
Anytime, sir. It's totally up to us. As Tushar shown us the video, that FAQ clip. So it is totally up to a lifestyle, whether if you want to drink it in morning with meal, without meal. So it is totally up to us. Anytime we can have it.
Okay, so I suppose Rohit, you got your answer, and one more thing I can quote here, that you have not seen that video or Mr. Tushar's presentation
Yes, sir.
very effectively. Okay,
Correct.
so next question from Aditya Bhagat. Aditya wants to know, how did you feel about telling people you worked at Yakult?
Okay, so sir, likewise as Yakult, it's a Japan-based company. Obviously, they are MNC. So Yakult, they have their own parameters, they have their own ethics, and in that manner, they like as they are Japanese. So for them, the result will be 0 or 100. Like in India, we used to say, okay, it's fine, we can manage the stuff. So for the Japanese, they don't want to compromise with any. They like they are not familiar with the that compromise and that stuff. So that is our main plus point, can say. So here the main thing is related to the quality. That's why to the people we can say, okay, we are working with the world's #1 probiotic drink, and as they are Japanese, so they are very much conscious towards the quality.
Okay.
So,
I hope Aditya got his answer. Mr. Tushar is also back in the meeting.
Yes, sir.
So now it is up to you. Means both of you are there in the panel. Whosoever wants, they may reply.
I believe now onwards Tushar can. So.
Yeah. Okay. So, Mr. Tushar, again over to you.
Yes, sir.
So I'm just asking question on behalf of my students.
Yeah,
because, students are very much active, and they got some buffer time to write in chat box as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so Siddharth Singh wants to ask, many immunity booster products are there in India, so how you compete them?
See, immunity boost product are there, but in Yakult we have our probiotic bacteria, LCS, which reach in our intestine in a live form, because not all the bacteria reach in our intestine in a live form. So this bacteria is totally beneficial for our health. And we have 6.5 billion bacteria in 65 milliliter of water. So this is our plus point.
So Siddharth, I suppose you got your reply. This is unique product, you can say.
Yeah.
So another question from Sumedha. Sumedha wants to know, sir, what were the CSR activities Yakult had to do in the pandemic?
So we are done our sampling activity, green area activity, and most of the activity, plantation activity, donation activity. So this is all about our CSR activity.
Okay, so Sumedha, you can say Yakult is socially responsible as well, because as Mr. Tushar is saying, they did a lot.
Yeah.
Next question is from...
Okay. Sample our products in many hospitals, like in Gurgaon Max Hospital, in Noida also.
Okay.
So this is our CSR.
That's great. Next question is from Pratyush Punj. Pratyush wants to know, those who are not on digital platform, how Yakult is going to reach those people?
So we are done our Yakult Lady. We have our Yakult Lady system. Yakult Lady comes at the customer doorstep and aware them about the product, about its benefit. So this is our offline platform activity.
Okay. Okay. So Pratyush, I hope you got your reply. And if anybody of you wants to, you have golden opportunity to speak with with Mr. Tushar. So you can just press raise hand button. I'll allow you to speak, and you can speak to Mr. Tushar. Okay, so I'm going to read out another question. Another question is from Rajneesh Kumar Jha. Rajneesh Kumar Jha is writing, as per my understanding before this session, Yakult only making yogurt, and I confused before. It is very delicious, tasty, and healthy.
Yakult is a totally probiotic drink, not yogurt, because as I said, it has a unique LCS that reaches in our intestine. And in yogurt, there is not in yogurt, there is lactic acid bacteria is present. But in Yakult, Lactobacillus casei strain shirota, that reach in our intestine. But in yogurt, that bacteria is not reach in our intestine. They killed in our stomach. So that is the main difference between yogurt and Yakult.
Okay, so Mr. Tushar, Jyotsna raised hand and she wants to talk to you. I'm coming to Jyotsna, so she will be able to talk to you. Jyotsna, I'll request you to put on your video as well. Yeah, Jyotsna, unmute yourself and speak.
Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon, sir. How are you?
Fine, fine. What about you?
And thank you for asking. Sir, my question is, some people have a very, very weak immunity system.
Yeah.
And those who drink Yakult on daily basis, after how much time it will, you can see changes in yourself, that your immunity is speeding up or something like that. When we can see this?
Yeah, it takes 4 to 5 weeks to see the difference between them.
4 to 5 weeks.
Yeah, and depend on the body organs, depend on the body immune system, how much time takes. So it mainly depend on our body, but basically it takes 4 to 5 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome.
Okay, so anyone? Okay, Mujahid wants to talk to you.
Yeah.
Mujahid, unmute yourself and speak.
Morning, sir. Sir, my question was that Yakult being a very new product to the Indian market, and you are with a higher price on your side, how long it took to penetrate the Indian market for you guys? Because I am being a youngster, I am knowing Yakult from 3 to 4 years only, and the first advertisement was from Kajal and Ajay Devgan. Now the Shilpa Shetty is the ambassador. So actually, how long it took you guys to penetrate the Indian market?
See, we are in the market from 2008, and now it's 12 years are done, still in introduction.
It's almost took you about 12 years to really enter the market, because now you are knowing very well.
Yeah. Because LCS की awareness इंडिया में अभी कम है, तो because हम अपना डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म यूज करके, अपना अवेयरनेस करके, एडवर्टीजमेंट करके, पैम्पलेट्स प्रोवाइड करके, सैम्पलिंग एक्टिविटी करके हम अपना इसके इंट्रोडक्शन कर रहे हैं याकुल्ट की, कि याकुल्ट है क्या, हमें क्यों पीना चाहिए, इसके बेनिफिट्स क्या हैं.
तो ये जैसे कि हम लोग टीवी में देख रहे हैं शिल्पा शेट्टी और इसके द्वारा, खास करके आईपीएल के द्वारा, so it almost took you guys 12 years to penetrate the Indian market.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Okay, so now Sachin wants to ask question. Sachin, unmute yourself and speak.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Sachin. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. What about you?
Fine.
Sir, actually my questions were getting ignored, so I had to raise my hand.
Oh, so sorry. Because of technical issues, I cannot answer you.
Sir, I just want to ask that what difficulties or obstacles were faced by Yakult when they stepped in Indian market?
See, in awareness मीन्स अवेयरनेस करते टाइम हम अपने वैसे कोई डिफिकल्टी तो आई नहीं, बट लोगों को अवेयर नहीं थे कि याकुल्ट के बारे में है क्या, याकुल्ट इसके बारे में है क्या, इसके फायदे क्या हैं। मीन्स ये नहीं पता था लोगों को। हमने प्रोडक्ट तो लॉन्च कर दिया, बट इसके बेनिफिट बताने में थोड़ी लोगों को मतलब थी डिफिकल्टी। तो बाकी हमने जब जैसे जैसे अब हमारी सेल डेली की 3 to 4 lakhs बॉटल्स है। मीन्स लोग इसके बारे में अवेयर हैं, उनको पता है कि याकुल्ट क्या है, इसके बेनिफिट क्या हैं। तो डिफिकल्टी तो देखो किसी भी बिजनेस को रन करने में स्टार्टिंग में आती ही है, बट अभी सब स्मूथ हो चुका है। ऐसी कोई डिफिकल्टी अब नहीं रही।
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Adit now wants to talk to you. Yeah, Adit, unmute yourself and speak. Ask your query.
Hello, Tushar sir. Good afternoon.
Hello, how are you? Good afternoon.
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I'm fine.
Sir, I wanted to ask that how you have made awareness in the villages.
So we are not going in our villages.
Okay.
We are
The
doing
product is not available in villages.
cities.
Adit, ask your question once again.
Sir, I wanted to ask that how are you awareing people in the villages? Is your product available in the villages or it is only available in the main cities?
Yeah, it is available in the main cities. We are not promote our product in villages.
Okay.
Next.
Thank you, sir.
Next, Rahul raised hand. Rahul. Yeah, Rahul, ask a query.
Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon, Rahul. How are you?
Sorry. Good afternoon, sir. Actually, it can be a controversial question. If we can I ask?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Actually, my question was getting ignored for some kind of glitch and all that. So, मेरा सवाल था that in year 2016, Nate Torrent, Mr. Nate Torrent alleged that Yakult violated the California unfair competition law. Can you please tell us what was the point behind that and what was why it was been accused about the probiotic that you are using?
Yes, sir. Will you please allow to me so I can
Yeah,
clarify
Mr.
the doubt?
Adis, go ahead.
Yes, actually, yes, that issue came up in 2016. That was mainly because of the misleading. The customer, he issue a case like Yakult company. He misled us in the market because of false advertisement. But after that, from our side, we submitted few of the research papers as we conducted observation. Okay, it is good for our health. It can improve digestion. But Rahul, overall, like on a general basis, now, for example, if I talk about myself, for example, if I'm drinking Yakult and then I'm doing a lot of unbalanced activity, for example, I'm not doing exercise or I'm taking fast food and the stuff. So that was the overview with that particular case. It's not only if you are taking probiotic and it will magically improve our health, because probiotic will improve our health with its scope only. There are so many factors which affect our lifestyle. So that was the overview with that particular case.
So some of the articles were published where they are talking about the side effect, where they have they are telling that you will be having some kind of gas issues, or you can, after having large uses of Yakult, you can feel dizzy also. Is it true?
No, this is actually that depend on the individual. For example, Yakult is acidic by nature, correct? As it has low pH, and somebody who is also suffering from gastrointestinal odor, in that case, it may affect. So for them, it's always better to drink Yakult at a specific time. So the point is related to the diet, specific diet. So for them, it's better to consult with their dietitian. So that was issue was there. This kind of issue was there with that person.
So, sir, what kind of body structure should have this? Mainly, what kind of body structure should go for this product?
Any of
It
the
should be a
person,
healthy one, or it can be a okay.
any of the person can enjoy Yakult, but in some case, if some of the person who is suffering from any of the issue, for example, if the diabetic patient, the lactose intolerance one, the person who the asthmatic person, so for unhealthy person, it's always to consult with their doctor, because as per their health issue, they may revise their diet chart, or they may suggest them, okay, the one bottle in a day or two bottle in a day, or you can take it on a regular basis or on an alternative basis. So for the unhealthy person, it's always better to consult with their dietitian or with their doctor. And the same
Okay,
issue
thank
was
you so much.
occurred with that
Okay,
particular case.
So
thank you so much, sir, for answering me.
Rahul, I suppose you got your reply in detailed manner.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so anyone else wants to speak their question? Otherwise, I'll go through with 1-2 more questions from chat box. And in the meantime, this is virtual meeting, so few of my faculty colleagues are there. Our respected director, sir, he has also joined this virtual industrial visit. So I'll request my faculty colleagues as well as respected directors, if you have any query, so you may ask a query, clarify your doubt as well. In the meantime, I'm going through the question from chat box.
Yeah.
Okay, Madhuri Verma C wants to know, is the factory profitable? What were its sales last year and 5 years ago? Means she wants to know about growth which Yakult took in last 5 years.
See, Yakult की 5 years की growth के बारे में अभी जो current हमारी growth चल रही है वो है 3 to 4 lakh bottles per day. यहाँ पे bottle manufacturing हो रही है 3 to 4 lakhs bottle. But पहले क्या थी? Sales इसकी कम थी. इसमें पहले 1 million, फिर 2 million, अब now 3 million bottles per day.
Okay. So Madhuri, I suppose you got your reply. Okay, Muzahid, he asked his question. Rajneesh Kumar Jha. Sachin. Okay, Sachin asked his question in discussion. Rahul asked. Okay. So I don't think so. There is Komal. I'll request Komal to okay. Sumedha wants to talk to you. In the meantime, Komal, be ready to speak your query, because but why question mark? I am unable to understand which question you are asking about. So better to ask your query. And if anyone else wants to ask your query, because 18 questions are there in chat box, and that is not easy to read each and every question. So I'll request 2-3 people to ask your query, and for that you will have to raise hand. I'll give you chance to speak to Mr. Tushar as well as Mr. Adas. So Sumedha wants to talk. Yeah, Sumedha, unmute yourself and ask your query.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Sumedha. How are you?
Sir, I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I'm also fine.
Sir, I had the question that just now, like you said, that the sales were about 3 million per day consumption.
Sorry, I said 3 lakh.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
3 lakh bottles are consumed daily.
3 to 4 lakh bottles per day. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So I want to know, is there any strategy that Yakult is undergoing to increase the sales revenue in the next financial year?
Sir, we develop our market in the village areas and also in the cities. Currently अभी हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि सिटी को फॉलो कर रहे हैं, बट धीरे धीरे हम अपना विलेज एरिया को भी कवर करेंगे, बिकॉज वहाँ के लोगों को तो काफ़ी नीड है याकुल्ट की. बिकॉज वहाँ का लाइफस्टाइल इतना इम्प्रूव नहीं होया अभी विलेजेस का, इसीलिए अभी हम धीरे धीरे करके हम सारा ओवरऑल कवर कर रहे हैं। ये हमारी मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी है और करेंटली अभी हम ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म यूज़ कर रहे हैं पेंडेमिक में तो, और याकूल लेडी सिस्टम तो हमारे ट्रेडिशनली चल ही रहा है।
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Komal, I'm coming to you. Better to ask your question in person, right? Komal, unmute yourself and ask your question.
Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Komal. How are you?
I'm good. I want to know that why you are not promoting Yakult in the village. I want the reason behind it.
We are not aware because less awareness in village areas. Because अभी हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि अपनी cities को cover कर
But
रहे हैं।
you have that Yakult lady, na?
Yeah,
So why you are not promoting in the village?
because they feel it's just a milk, but Yakult is not just a milk. It is a probiotic drink. So अभी मैं बता रहा हूँ ना कि अभी हम अपनी सिटीज को कवर कर रहे हैं, बट आफ्टर दैट सिटीज हम फिर अपने विलेज एरिया को भी कवर करेंगे। ऐसा नहीं है कि हमने बिल्कुल विलेज एरियाज को अलग छोड़ दिया, करेंगे कवर धीरे धीरे करके अभी, बट हम सिटीज को कवर कर रहे हैं।
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you.
Okay, so I'm going to take up, one or two more questions.
Yeah, sure.
Just a second. Yeah. So Jyotsna wants to know, sir, can we drink more than one bottle in a day?
Yeah, of course you can drink 1, 2, 3 and means कितने भी bottles आप एक दिन में drink कर सकते हो। It's totally depends on you. It's totally depends on your health. But हम जो suggest करते हैं कि Yakult की one bottle is sufficient for a day because Yakult के अंदर 6.5 billion bacteria है और हमारी body को चाहिए 1 billion bacteria, good bacteria in a day. तो Yakult provide कर रही है अपने 6.5 billion bacteria. तो एक बॉटल एक दिन में सफिशिएंट है, और अगर आप टेस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग उसको ज़्यादा लेना चाहते हैं तो उसकी कोई डिसएडवांटेज नहीं है, आप इसको कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं।
Okay, so I hope Jyotsna got a reply. Adit Bhagat wants to talk to you.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, Adit, unmute yourself and speak.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good afternoon, Aditya.
Actually, sir, I have a question that is company thinking launching about any other product?
See, your voice is not coming clearly.
Adit, there is, lot many background noise. So ask your question once again.
Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you are audible now.
Is company thinking about launching any another product like soft drink, energy drink?
No. We have two variants, Yakult and Yakult Light. We are promoting this currently, but in future we develop. But अभी क्या चल रहा है? अभी हमने इन्हीं दो प्रोडक्ट को अपना डेवलप करना है मार्केट में। जैसे होता है ना, मकान बनाने के लिए पहले नींव खड़ी करनी होती है तो वैसे ही अभी हमने अपना याकुल्ट और याकुल्ट लाइट इन प्रोडक्ट को अपनी नींव बना के चल रहे हैं कि ये अगर हम अच्छे से प्रमोट कर पाएंगे तो हम इजीली मार्केट में स्टैंड कर पाएंगे। तो अभी हम कोई और सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक बनाने के बारे में इसमें तो कोई प्लानिंग चल नहीं रही है, बट हाँ हमारे जो रिसर्च सेंटर्स हैं वो अपना प्रोबायोटिक को लेके, इसके फ्लेवर्स को लेके, इसके वेरिएंट्स को लेके वो अपनी रिसर्च कर रहे हैं।
Adit, got your point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, now Khushbu wants to talk. One more, query we are going to take up for the day. So after Khushbu, anyone can raise hand and they may ask. And then, faculty colleagues, you have, liberty to ask question. So we can spare, 2-3 more minutes to reply your question as well. Yeah, Khushbu, unmute yourself and ask your question. Khushbu, unmute yourself and ask your question. I suppose there is some, technical issue.
Yeah.
Or there is possibility by mistake, she pressed raise hand button.
Okay. Not an issue.
Okay, so here we come to an end.
Okay.
Is there any question from my faculty friends, whosoever is there in in this virtual visit? If anybody wants to ask, just unmute yourself and ask your question. Otherwise, we'll bind up. Okay, so I suppose there is no query at all from anyone side, not from faculty friends or my dear students. Okay, so it was okay, so Jyotsna is writing thank you and all clear. Okay, so it was wonderful interaction with students. I suppose whatsoever doubt that was there in their mind, you all got chance to ask a query and question related to Yakult. And Mr. Tushar explained well about the complete product, the history, production process, operations, marketing, and he replied your queries very effectively with a fact. So thank you so very much, Mr. Tushar. And Mr. Adis is also there, and he took charge once you were not there in this meeting just because of technology failure. So thank you so very much, both of you, Mr. Adis and Mr. Tushar.
Thank you so much, sir, for your
giving us this wonderful opportunity to bring a student virtually at your place, and they came to know about your product, your strategy, and your future planning, how you are going to capture the market or going to penetrate your product into the market. So thank you to you once again, and thank you, my dear students, for being interactive in this virtual industrial visit, because this means a lot. Whenever any doubt comes in your mind, and if you keep your doubt with you, so there is no solution. But this is really very good that you ask your question in chat box as well as you ask your question in person. So thank you so very much. Thank you once again,
sir, for your kind words. Thank you so much. Really, thank you.
Okay, so thank you. Bye bye. I'm going to end this meeting.
Okay. Bye, sir.
Bye.